PC cases are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the PC case from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and enter information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. The description to find the product links. Number 5. Thermaltake Tower PC Case. 5mm thick tempered glass window. The large tempered glass panels feature 5mm thickness and serve to simultaneously protect and showcase all components in the build. Dismantleable modular design. Enables user to freely build the system from the ground up with given modular panels, racks, brackets, and pre-designed mounting arrays. Handy I/O port. The top front control panel features 4 USB 3.0 data transfer port along with HD microphone and headset jacks to grant direct access when needed. No GPU sag. The Tower 900 eliminates the issue with GPU sag, allowing vertical mounting of multi-GPU configurations on an ATX platform. Unparalleled cooling ability. Supporting up to dual 560mm liquid cooling radiators, cooling possibilities just got real. Extreme air, liquid cooling systems. The right side and left side of the case are designed with various mounting points for radiators to provide proper space and placement when building DIY AIO configuration. Number 4. Antec DF700 Flux. Flux platform advanced case structure for excellent airflow plus 5 by 120 mm fans included. RGB and PWM fan controller. Provide massive airflow to your components with room for up to 9 by 120 mm fans. Supports a high-end GPU and provides the best cooling for it. Number 3. KEDIERS PC Case. 9 pre-installed 120 mm ARGB fans. Suitable for enhanced cooling. With the pre-installed ARGB controller, you can sync it with the motherboard. Each addressable ARGB fan offers 16.8 million colors for exceptional customizable lighting. You don't need to pay extra for fans. Only when the 5V 3pin cable on the control board is connected to the motherboard can the ARGB light synchronization be realized. 2 Tempered glass. C590 gaming case is equipped 4mm thick tempered glass, which can clearly see the RGB lighting and the components in the building, creating a good gaming atmosphere. I/O panel 2x USB 3. 0 port, 1x Type-C, 1x HD audio, reset button, power button. Remarkable expansion. C590 mid-tower gaming computer case supports ATX Micro, ATX Mini ITX motherboards. Number 2. Musetex ATX PC Case. Amazing remote control Musetex MN6 comes with its own ARGB fan remote control. You can easily control the fan speed, ARGB color mode and brightness. And the coolest features that other brands can't let you experience: let the lights sync with your music by turning on the music mode. The color of the ARGB fan changes with the sound of your music or game, and enjoy the fusion of visual and auditory pleasure. 6 ARGB fans. The MN6 case comes pre-installed with 6 ARGB fans, providing superior cooling performance. The more powerful ARGB comes in 16.8M colors and is motherboard sync with the Musetex dedicated ARGB control board pre-installed in the case. More color and fun can be to play with than normal RGB. Brilliant customizable lighting addressable ARGB LEDs controlled with 3 methods. 1. Remote Control Minnesota 6 BPC case is equipped with a unique music panel, Music Sync 2, LED button control 19 lighting colors for LED button on the I/O panel 3. Motherboard control only when the 5V3pin cable on the control board is connected to the motherboard can the ARGB light synchronization be realized. Note: 12V 4-pin motherboard is not suitable for motherboard control, button control is recommended. The coolest PC case Musetex MN6 has 2 tempered glass fronts and sides, 6 ARGB fans with 19 light modes, which can feel free to customize colors according to your liking, and the mid-tower case can accommodate different players' components needs. Number 1. Corsair Carbide Gaming Case. The Carbide Series Spec Delta RGB is a tempered glass mid-tower ATX case with striking angular styling, powerful airflow and vibrant RGB lighting. Direct airflow path design, inlaid mesh ventilation and 4 included cooling fans deliver incredible airflow to cool your system. An edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel window and smoke-transparent front panel show off your system, while 3 120mm RGB cooling fans light up your hardware. Connect the fans using standard 4-pin lighting connectors to your Asus AuraSync, Gigabyte RGB Fusion or MSI Mystic Light compatible motherboard and personalize your lighting with amazing effects and patterns. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please use the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.